I did a bad thing. If you're wondering what it is, I'll tell you what I did. I did a bad thing. Oh, I have the hiccups. Hold on. Oh no, they're still there. Jinxed myself. Dang it. Hey, they're gone. Yay. Oh no, they're not.
Yeah, it was on there. I'm sorry.
But props to you if you know who these people are, and sorry if I didn't include you. There's I got lazy, tired, and I know a big shocker, me, a night owl, being tired. But yes, I did get tired. Ow. Because, yeah, I got tired and, well, I got lazy. And there's minimal canvas space. I want to burp, but my hiccups won't allow it. Yep, I can. Ow. But yeah, there's props to you if you know who all these people are.